With ATV Launcher Pro installed, you can't set it as the default launcher. After pressing the home button, it exits to the default home screen. No problem, let's fix this. Go to Settings System About, then tap Android TV OS Build 7 times. Open Developer Options and turn on USB debugging. Now connect GTV-toolkit to your Google TV's IP address. Click Switch to Custom Launcher. Now the launcher is set to ATV Launcher Pro. If the remote stops working after switching, don't worry, just reboot the device. Success! Your TV now boots directly into ATV Launcher Pro. If you press the home or back button to exit apps, the system returns to ATV Launcher Pro.